That's right, my friends. My Faceless Instagram accounts have generated over $500,000 in passive income. And here's the best part. I started from scratch, knowing almost nothing about Instagram just 2 years ago. But guess what? I've cracked the code, and today I'm going to share the blueprint that transformed my Instagram hustle into a profitable business. And let me tell you, it's almost like having a money-making machine that runs on autopilot. Now, I know what you're thinking. Can I really achieve similar results and profits? Absolutely. If you follow the blueprint I'm about to share, there's no question in my mind that you'll be on your way to financial success. So why wait? Let's dive right into it. Step 1. Start an Instagram account about something you're truly passionate about. It's crucial to choose a topic that genuinely interests you because you'll be investing a significant amount of time creating content around it. If you're not genuinely interested, you might find yourself losing motivation and feeling overwhelmed. In today's digital landscape, the possibilities are endless. Whether it's travel, sports, health, fitness, or any other niche, there's an audience eagerly waiting to be discovered. I've witnessed firsthand the growth of successful accounts in these niches, proving that you can find an audience for almost anything these days. Step 2. Download the software required to manage this account. A video editor for Reels and a basics design studio to generate posts are required. If you're a student, you can join Adobe Creative Cloud for less than $15 per month, which includes Adobe Premiere Pro and provides you access to Photoshop and Illustrator. But if you're looking for the simplest budget solutions, CapCut is wonderful for video editing and Canva is great for designing. In reality, I only use Canva to grow my first account to over 1.5 million followers. Step 3. We need to start posting, but in order to do so efficiently, we must understand how the Instagram algorithm works now. Well, get ready to have your mind blown because I'm about to reveal a little secret. Likes don't matter as much as you think they do. In fact, there are 3 things that the Instagram algorithm values even more: watch time, saves, and shares. Watch time is all about how long someone spends looking at your content. The longer they stay, the better. Saves are when viewers click to save your content, and shares are when they share it to their story or send it to a friend. These are the real metrics that can skyrocket your reach and growth. Now, let's dive into some numbers. On average, people spend a mere 3 to 5 seconds looking at an Instagram post. That's not a lot of time to make an impact. For saves, it's about 5 saves for every 1,000 impressions. And for shares, it's about 2 shares for every 1,000 impressions. These numbers might seem small, but they're crucial to understanding how to create content that resonates with your audience. But here's the exciting part. You can beat these averages and create posts that go above and beyond. Just take a look at some of my most viral posts. They blew those numbers out of the water, sometimes even 10 times over, and I'm here to show you how you can do the same. Let's start by creating some simple yet captivating posts using Canva. For this example, let's say your Instagram account is all about motivation. We'll begin with a bold and attention-grabbing first slide, which we like to call the hook. This slide will contrast well and spark intrigue, making viewers want to find out more. Next, we can come into ChatGPT and ask it to give us 7 motivational quotes about success. The best part is you can get super specific with it. If your page is all about sports, you can ask for quotes by famous athletes or even quotes from a specific person. Once you have your quotes, simply copy and paste them onto your Canva slides. If you want to take it a step further, you can add cool colors and relatable graphics to brand your post. These types of posts go viral all the time, so get ready to see some serious success. However, let's move on to step 4, which involves creating viral reels. With the rise of TikTok, Instagram has been heavily promoting reels to compete. This presents a significant opportunity for individuals like you and me to rapidly grow our audience. Take a look at these reels that have gone viral. One of them has received over 1.9 million likes and over 12 million total plays. What's even more astonishing is that the account was started less than a month ago and has only 9 posts, yet it has already gained over 70,000 followers. This is not an isolated case. Many new accounts are experiencing explosive growth on Instagram. For instance, this account has only 42 posts but boasts over 1.1 million followers, and it was created less than 90 days ago. I decided to test this strategy on my own accounts and managed to garner over 3 million views on a single silly meme video. Here are the statistics for that video after approximately 2 months of being posted. Now let me demonstrate how you can create simple viral videos like these. We can return to GPT chat and request some simple motivational quotes. Remember, you'll want to find a quote that has a strong hook. Once you've found one, we need to create a voiceover for it. You can choose to record yourself or use a text-to-speech AI such as 11 Labs, which is currently the best AI voice generator on the market. It allows you to clone voices or generate your own, and you can adjust the stability and pitch to achieve the desired sound. Here's how our example sounds for now.
Life isn't about finding yourself. Life is about creating yourself.
Next, we need to animate the video to make it visually appealing. We can add a background that relates to the quote or has a similar vibe. To avoid copyright issues, we can use Midjourney, a paid AI photo generator, or free alternatives like Stable Diffusion or Leonardo. Since our quote has 3 main sections, we'll ask Midjourney to create 3 photos for us: a Renaissance-style painting of ancient Greek philosophers, happiness, and someone deep in thought. Once we're satisfied with our AI-generated images, we can import them into our chosen video editing software. Today, I'll use CapCut because it offers a free version and is user-friendly. Simply drag the images into the software and synchronize them with the audio. Finally, to enhance accessibility, we should create auto captions by clicking here. Remember, for the hook, you want to generate as much interest as possible. This is just one style of viral content that is currently performing well. In future videos, I'll guide you through creating even more engaging reels. Be sure to subscribe to see more. Step 5. Now that you've created your content, it's time to start sharing. But before you hit that share button, let's go through a quick checklist to gauge how viral your content can be. Ask yourself these questions. Will people pause and take a few seconds to look at this? Will people feel compelled to share it on their story or send it to a friend? Will people be motivated to comment and share their opinions? Will people want to save this for later and come back to it? And finally, does this content provide value and substance? If you can confidently answer yes to all of these questions, then you have a viral post on your hands. Make sure to take a screenshot of this checklist or bookmark this part of the video because it's my golden formula for Instagram growth hacking, and I guarantee it works. Okay, let's get back to step 5. We can start posting. A good rule of thumb is to post once a day. You don't want to overwhelm your audience with too much content, but you also don't want to become irrelevant. If you post too frequently, you might exhaust your audience. So, my recommendation is to always prioritize quality over quantity. Step 6. Step 6 is all about repeating what is working. It's like finding a secret recipe for success and using it to your advantage. One of the most effective strategies for success on Instagram is to identify what is working well for you and your audience, and then double down on it by analyzing the insights provided by Instagram, such as reach, traffic sources, and engagement metrics like likes, shares, and saves. You can gain valuable information about what resonates with your followers. For instance, let's say you notice that your audience responded exceptionally well to your slide posts. They generated higher engagement rates and attracted more attention compared to other types of content. Recognizing this, you decided to focus more on creating and sharing slide posts, and the results were remarkable. Instagram's insights provide you with a wealth of data to help you understand your audience better and make informed decisions about your content strategy. By studying these insights and applying what is working, you can optimize your future content and increase your chances of success. Remember, the biggest winners on Instagram are those who take the time to analyze their insights and adapt their approach accordingly. So, make it a habit to regularly review your performance metrics, identify patterns, and capitalize on what is resonating with your audience. Step 7. Monetize your account. Congratulations on making it this far. Now it's time to take all the hard work you've put into the previous 6 steps and turn it into actual money. Trust me, it's doable, and I'm here to show you how. In my experience, I've been able to generate hundreds of thousands of dollars from Instagram accounts. And guess what? You can do it too. In future videos, I'll be sharing several creative ways to monetize your account, so make sure you're subscribed. But for today, let's focus on one powerful method: advertisements. Companies are willing to pay big bucks to target people online who are interested in their products, and that's where your Nike audience comes in. Let's say your account focuses on investing. Imagine the fortune you could make by advertising for day trading companies or finance apps like Robinhood. But many of these companies aren't even aware that creators like you exist. So it's up to you to reach out to them directly and set up lucrative advertising deals. Here's how you can reach out to them directly and set up an advertising deal where you make thousands of dollars. Go to their company's LinkedIn and search for social media under people, then go ahead and add them and send them a message like this message. For example, "Hey Anna, I run the Page Finance Tips Sonto 1 on Instagram. We've built a highly engaged audience of over 100,000 followers who are passionate about personal finance. I'm currently filling out in slots for the month of June and was wondering if Robinhood would be interested in our exposure. Let me know. Thanks. By reaching out to companies directly, you take control of your monetization journey. Remember, you have a valuable asset in your hands, your engaged audience. Don't be afraid to leverage it and negotiate lucrative advertising deals. Believe it or not, I've been paid up to $5,000 for a single post. I mention this not to brag, but to emphasize the potential for significant earnings in this field. Now here's the final step in this blueprint: consistency. Remember, Instagram is a marathon, not a sprint. While it's tempting to create the best 5 posts of all time and sprint to success, I encourage you to focus on being consistent. Strive to show up and post something better than the last every single day. Most people give up because they can't maintain consistency, but you won't be one of them. Don't worry about being the best right away. If you focus on consistency, you'll outlast everyone else, and that's a much more achievable goal. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither will your Instagram empire. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe for more valuable content like this in the future. Together, we'll turn your passion into profit.